Hello lovelies, how are you guys doing? This is Tips with Vicky. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your pastries very simple, easy and fast with the use of Pasta Sfoglia. Pasta Sfoglia is an Italian word. I don't know what it's called in your language, but I'm sure you can find it in any store close to you. This is how Pasta Sfoglia looks like. Different brand with different packaging. You can see it here. Over here is an example of a recipe I made with Pasta Sfoglia. Check it out and see how I came up with this yummy looking recipe. I'll leave the link up there and in the description area. Today, this is the type I'll be using. I have two different types here. I have the circular type and the rectangular one. And over here, as you can see, I'm unraveling it to show you how it looks like. This is the rectangular shape, and also the other one is in circular shape. You can cut this into any shape of your choice and it will be okay for any baking of your choice. This makes the job simple and easy. If you don't have a mixer, don't worry, your pastries will be done. Today I'm using it for sausage roll. With that being said, let's get started.